Steve Baser here, application engineer with Lincoln Electric. We're out in the field today doing some bucket repair on a tractor. Today we're using our Ranger 330 MPX and we're using one of our LN-25X's with our new TVT technology. So this true voltage technology is going to recognize the inductance and the voltage drop in our cabling, and it's going to make that change at the machine for us. Right now we have 200 foot of lead on my truck. Instances where it wouldn't be practical for us to unravel all that lead, okay? So to teach it, we have to run about a 1-inch weld. That way it recognizes what our voltage drop is. Matt, you want to go ahead? So when we started off, we were asking 21 volts. We're at about 22.5 volts. We've taught it, and now it recognizes, and it's bumped our voltage up to 24.3. That way we're at 21 volts through this 200 foot of cable. So now we're ready to go. Go ahead, Matt. For any more questions regarding the Ranger 330 MPX or LN-25X's with true voltage technology, go to lincolnelectric.com.